Hello, we will take you on the extraordinary journey to the land of kangaroos, Australia. It is the sixth largest country and the largest island in the world. It is surrounded by the Great Barrier Reef, which is a prominent tourist attraction. It sits for south migratory zone of high pressure called the subtropical ridge. The Australian flag is made up of Jack, the Federal, and the stars of the southern constellation. Talking about the topography and terrain of Australia, most of the surface is rocky and covered with plateaus. These uneven surfaces restrict the jobs, but the Australians are determined, and in spite of these difficulties, they attain their jobs regularly without fail. Australia, being a huge island, has a very humid climate, especially in the summer season. The average temperature during the day is 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, and in the night it remains around 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. The El Nino Southern Oscillation is associated to the seasonal abnormality in many areas of Australia. Due to this, Australia experiences droughts alongside considerable wet periods. Australia is a very wealthy country with a high GDP per capita income and low rate of poverty. The population of Australia is very scarce and non-uniformly spread. It is very thinly populated, with most of the people residing in the southeastern Australia. 80 to 90% people residing here are native of Australia, while rest of the people come here for purpose of tourism and looking for jobs from various countries. It has a huge diversity of flora and fauna, which makes it a hub for many plants and animals. Flora and fauna here is very unique, and most of them are not found anywhere in the world. It contains various plants such as alamander, Patterson's curse, many trees, many creepers, and various types of flowers. They help in medicinal purposes and are used in Ayurveda. Various types of animals like grumpy, koala, federal cat, many types of ducks, and of course, the kangaroo, which is the national animal of Australia, is found here. As per the British influence, the Australians wear western clothes like jeans and shirts, etc. In the Western Australia, cowboys can be found with their own clothes and culture. All the Australians have a very distinctive clothing style. People in Australia like to eat a variety of foods. They cook various types of dishes, which include vanilla slice, sausage rolls, a variety of soup, brown biscuits, and many more. These dishes have been evolved by the indigenous Australians during the British rule. Although Australia has no official language, English has been entrenched as a de facto national language. General Australians serve as the standard dialect. According to 2011 consensus, English is the only spoken language in homes for close to 80% of population. Next most common speaking language is Mandarin, Italian, Arabic, etc. Australia has no state religion. Section 116 of Australian Constitution prohibits the federal government from making any law to establish any religion, impose any religious observance, or prohibit the free exercise of any religion, which makes Australia a very unique country. As we know, festivals bring joy and pleasure in our lives. So the Australians do celebrate various kinds of festivals which bring joy and pleasure in their lives. They celebrate all festivals wholeheartedly. Coming to the political system of Australia, there has been a revolution from monarchy to the constitutional monarch. In the early times, the king and queen used to rule it, but today, legislatives and executives are appointed by them to govern the country. Various parties like Australian Labor Party, Australian Greens, Family First Party contest in the elections. Australia has become a hub for tourism. It has many beaches where people come to relax. It also has the Great Sydney Opera House and, as mentioned earlier, the Great Barrier Reef, which is the largest coral reef found in the world. almost 60 to 70% Australians and tourists visiting Australia visit Great Barrier Reef only. The Great Uluru Rock, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world, is present here. In 2011 only, over 5.9 million people visited Australia and enjoyed its beauty. Approximately 24% of Australians over the age of 15 regularly participated in the sporting events and activities. Australia has a very strong international teams and cricket, hockey, netball, etc. Australia is also powerful in cycling and swimming, having consistently been in top 5 medal winners in the Olympics or world champion level since 2000. Due to its hot climate in summers, the best time to visit Australia is most likely in spring or autumn season. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.